Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily unlink your YouTube channel, your YouTube account, from your Ubisoft account. Let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to ubisoft.com, sign into your Ubisoft account in the top right corner right here, and open up the account management. Now this will open up a different tab with your account information, and inside the account information you scroll all the way down till you find your linked accounts. Now here you use the arrow in the right corner to hop to the YouTube section. Simply press unlink, and what this will do, it will automatically unlink YouTube from Ubisoft if you press this box and press unlink. Now here it has been disconnected from your Ubisoft account and both are disconnected. It's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.